Hello, welcome to Smart Clinic SG. This is Group 4, and today I'm going to make the presentations about our medical app. Let's start with the login system. If the user enter an existing account, it shows the errors that the email has been already in use. So now I will enter a new email, enter the new password, and it shows that the account has been created successfully. So now if the user forgot their password or simply they want to change the password, they can click forgot the password and enter the email address. It shows that the link has been sent to the email. So now I will go back and then open the reset link, enter the new password. So now I will go back to the login page and then enter email password. So this is the main page. So from the main page, the user can choose the healthcare locator to find the nearby healthcare facilities in Singapore, can use the AI chatbot to check their symptoms and get the diagnosis, can get the recommended medications, and they can also save the medical history as well. So now let me choose the healthcare locators. This is the locations of all the healthcare facilities in Singapore. So the red dot is the trust clinics, the green dot is the pharmacies, and the blue dot is the locations of all the hospitals in Singapore. And if the user click on the dot, they can see the name, the address, the category, and the distance. So now I will click some. So in here, the user can filter by the category, filter by the distance, 5, 10, and 15 kilometers. And they can also search the name and the address. So now let me try enter Fullerton. Yeah, so all the Fullerton clinics in Singapore appears. So this is the Fullerton Health NTU, which is about 1 kilometer from my locations. Now I would delete the search, and then I would choose the hospital, and then the 15th. Yeah, so only 2 hospitals appears 15 kilometers from my locations. So now let me choose the pharmacies and reduce the distance. I would choose the trust clinics, choose 5 kilometers, and then choose pharmacies again. Yeah, so this is where the user can get the healthcare facilities informations and locations. So now I will move to the chatbot. So in the chatbot, the user can input the symptoms to get the diagnosis. Now I will enter my age and the gender, the symptom I have cough and sneeze. Yeah, sometimes. Yes. Yes. So as you can see, the chatbot gives the hypertension as the diagnosis with a probability of 30%. So it also gives some recommendations such as to monitor the blood pressure, reduce sodium intake, engage in physical activities, and schedule appointment with the doctor. So in the medications, this is the medication list I call from whitelisted drug API. So in here, the user can input their health conditions to get the recommended medications. So now I will enter the hypertensions here. Hypertensions, search. Yeah, so all the medication related to hypertensions appear. So now in the history, the user can save their medical records in date, symptom, diagnosis, and medications. So now let me choose the date, which is today. The symptoms are cough and sneeze. The AI diagnosis, which is hypertension. Maybe I add 30%. And the medications I choose, yeah, maybe I choose this one. Yeah, as you can see, the medical history has been saved successfully. So in the medical page, I also use a Firebase to store the database of the user history, which means that different accounts store the different medical history. So now I will log out and enter the address that I have just created. So I will go to the history. As you can see, the no history available yet. So I will go back to the chatbot and enter the age. Maybe I choose female. I will enter the new symptom. I have headache. Yes. Sometimes blurry vision. So as you can see, the chatbot gives migrants as the diagnosis with a probability of 45%. For now, I will copy this conditions and then paste to the health conditions and search. Yeah, so all the medications related to health conditions appears. Now I will move to the history and then enter the date, maybe tomorrow, the symptoms, headache, diagnosis, which is this one, 45%, and the medications. Let me choose this one and save the entries. As you can see, the medical history has been saved successfully. So now I will log in with my personal email again if, to see if the medical history changed or not. Yeah, as you can see, the medical history also appears as the hypertension of 30%. And the user can delete the medical history, simply click by the delete button here. Now I will log out and log in with my email again. Yeah, the history has been deleted successfully. And that is the end of my presentations. Thank you.